Hello student, welcome back to this online lecture of SYBCom CBCS pattern 2019, and we are learn here the subject of business economics macro sem 4, and we are looking here the chapter number 2 inflation topic of 2.2 the effects of inflation. We also began this topic the inflation. We discussed the meaning and the definition and types of inflation like creeping, walking inflation, hyperinflation, and then we discussed last lecture the causes of inflation, the demand side causes and the supply side causes. In today's lecture we discuss the 2.3 the consequences and effect of inflation on the economy on different sector and different segment of the economy. And last previous lecture we also discussed the demand pull and cost pull inflation in our first video of topic 2, and last lecture of this topic of inflation is a stagflation, the concept of stagflation, meaning, causes and measures of stagflation. So we discuss today the consequences 2.3 of inflation. So inflation, we know that the concept of inflation means which is the most important concept discussed after the Great Depression 1930 overall the world in important into macroeconomic problem is the inflation. So persistence continuous rising the general price level over the long period has been most common feature of both developed and developing economies. The persistent inflation is perhaps the second most serious macroeconomic problem confronting the world economy today, the second only to after the hunger and poverty in the third world of a developing economy. And inflation means a constant rise in the prices rather than a once for all the rise in prices. So rising prices, continuous rising prices means the inflation. Thus inflation generally associated with an abnormal increase in quantity of money resulting in abnormal rise in prices. So abnormal rises in quantity of money and the prices means the inflation situation. According to some economics like the Crowther, a state in which the value of money falling, that is the price are rising means the inflation. So situation where the falling the price and falling the value of money and rising price means the inflation. According to Kohlenberg, it is a case of too much money chasing too few goods means the inflation, where there is so much money pursue very few goods. According to Pigou, the inflation exists when the money income is the expanding more than the proportional to increase in earning activity. So inflation exists when the money income is expanding more than in proportion is increase the earning activity, according to Professor Pigou. The meaning and inflation. So we looking here the meaning. In general, the inflation means the process of rising prices. A situation is described the inflationary when either the price or supply of money rising because the impact is both are rising together. Inflation means a constant rise in the prices rather than a once for all rising the prices. The inflation represents the situation where the pressure of aggregate demand for goods and services exceed the available supply or output, means shortage of supply and the exceed of the demand means the situation of inflation. Thus inflation is generally associated with abnormal increase in the quantity of money resulting in abnormal rise in the prices. So we are looking here the particular effect of the inflation. Some economics classify these effects is the effects on the production, the effects on the distribution and other effects. We here classify in generally all effects, not categorize or distribution effects, production effects or other effects. We generally discuss all the effects. Effects of inflation. So first effect is the effect on debtor and creditor. Under the inflation, the debtors are gainer and creditor are the loser. Thus debtors stand the gain and the creditors offer to lose. because when the uh, creditor is given the loan to the debtor, that time the different value of money, but after the inflation the value of money falls, so that time the receiver, the debtor is the gaining and the creditor is the lose the benefit of this money's value. The next effect is the effect on the investor. There is a two class of the investor: the investor who invest their money into the government security, debenture, bonds, etc., yield fixed income, and the investor those who are invest into the share of joint stock companies whose profit fluctuates of these two classes, the investors. So first class who invest into the government securities, debenture, bonds, fixed income are the loser, and the gainer who invest their money share in joint stock company. So effect on the investor. The next effect is about the fixed salary class. The fixed salary class like the government servant, the central government or state government servant, teachers, these are the government servant, they are the bigger loser because the purchasing power of money is fall and their income is not rising. It is so because the price of goods and services are rising, but there is a very little corresponding rise in their money income. So fixed salary class people is loser in this inflation situation. The next is the on agriculturist. The initial stage the inflation has favorable effect on the agriculturists as they belong to the producer class, and price of the agriculture produce increase more than their the cost, so they initially get more benefit. But after some time the factors of production like the seeds, fertilizers price begin to be rise, so their cost of production is also rise. So initially they gainer, after that they are also loser. The next effect is about the producers or entrepreneurs. They produce the more to meet the rising of demand, so they increase their production. They stock the large quantity of raw material bought at the pre-inflation prices. Wages increase less than the prices, and those entrepreneurs and the traders who repay the loan borrowed earlier stand is the gain. So different effect on the producers. So producers is the sometime the gaining because of the he repay the old loans to borrow. The wages increase less than their prices, and increasing price is encouraged to producer produce more goods. The next effects on the middle class adversely affected by the inflation. These class the heads maintain the standard of living at the particular level, but its source of income are fixed. So according to J.W. Angel, the class that suffer the most and could protect itself the least from the inflation. So middle class they adversely affected from the situation of inflation. So these are the effects of the inflation. Next, some effects we discuss here. The first is the saving. The inflation hits the saving badly because of the high prices of goods of consumption. The expenditure of the people goes up and their power to save is the drastically fail. So saving is the reduced in situation of inflation. The employment in the initial stage, the inflation it has the good effect on the employment because of the rising price of producer on extra profit, and they are the encouraged to produce the more. The several new industries are unit the spring up, so the more employment initial stage, but after that there is the declining of the employment. The next is the balance of payment. Because of rising prices under the impact of the inflation, export fall and import rises because the people compare that the domestic goods price is higher and the outside of the country the foreign countries goods are the cheaper, so they import more goods. Soon the country is the confronted with the unfavorable balance of payment because the less of export, more of import, so unfavorable balance of payment due to the inflation situation. These are the effect. The next is the public debt. The cost of government projects under the completion rise unexpectedly because of the rising prices of the material and factors. It's very much upset the government budget. The government is the obligate to the borrower from the public, thus the public debt is amount during the inflation. The banks and insurance company, The income of the traders, industries and the agriculture is the increase. They deposit the more fund into the bank, and this give up fill up to the development and banking and institution. Setting up new industry units increase the element of risk to cover which many insurance company come into the begin. So good effect on the banks and insurance company under the inflation. Effects on the tax: the rising the price increase the expenditure of the government to meet which has to the impose new taxes and enhance the rate of the existing taxes. So rising the tax rate and impose the new tax by the government during the inflation situation. The next effect on the inflation is about the controlling and rationing. Control and rationing. It become difficult for the poor people to buy the ordinary consumer goods. So government therefore impose the price control measures, introduce the rationing system, and often the fair prices shop to enable to the poor people get essential commodities and reasonable price. So government expenditure on the rationing is increased due to the inflation situation. Next is resource allocation inflation effect. The allocation of resources as well as the under capitalism resources allocated through the change in prices. When the price of the commodity rise, the relatively its demand fall, and the demand it's related to goods rise. As the result, it high price good will be produced in the less quantity, and relatively low prices good will be produced in the large quantity. So resources allocation effect. The next is about the moral effect. The inflation result the moral degradation of the producers, entrepreneurs to accumulate more and more wealth. The trading community resort the antisocial activity like the profiteering, hoarding, the adulteration, etc. In country, the gambling spirit of spread more and more. So nor was the reckless and the corruption spirit the confined to the businessmen. Thus the inflation make the government officially corrupts, bribes is the rampant, and the moral values of suffer decay in the country. These are the moral effects from the during the inflation. So next is about the social and political effects. The social and political effects inflation are the more dangerous than the economic effects. The socially the poor people become more poor, and the rich people become more rich. The gap between rich and poor the wider these days. Some people are the adversely affected to the inflation, so they demonstrate against the government. They use the strike and other violence, and they create the law and order problem in the society. Some people the unsatisfactory from this. So sometimes the government will be changed, and the political changes will be seen in the economy from the inflation. The next some of the inflation effect are the favorable effect in the economy. The increase in the production, the create the optimistic atmosphere of the country, provide necessary the inducement, the investment, the marginal efficiency of capital increase. It's give further inputs the investment, increase the investment, the generate the more employment and income, increase the income, lead to the more demand, and hence more production is possible. So increase the production in the economy from the inflation situation. Redistribution of income, inflation redistribute the income in the favor of those section of the society that can save. For the instance, the trader, industries, farmer, etc., they can save more in the inflation. The income of those people increase less that has the little capacity to save. But people save more money, industries, trader, farmer, into the inflation. As whole, there are the more saving in the country because of the redistribution of the income. More saving lead to the more investment, which is the essential for the rapid rate of the economic development. The next is the source of capital formation. According to Dr. V.K.R.V. Rao, the inflation result in the force of the saving in the country. Because of the increasing prices, a large number of people cannot afford to consume most of things. Hence, real consumption goes down and real saving is the goes up during the inflation situation. The next is the self liquidating. According to Professor Arthur Lewis, the financing of the economic development is self liquidating. It is so because the financial resources used for the economic development lead to an increase in the money supply, but at the same time there is an increase in production capacity. The next favorable effect is the mobilization of productive resources. The productive resources remain the passive in the underdeveloped countries because of the lack of banking facility. People tend to hoard their saving. When the scope of economic activity is enlarged in the walk-in inflation, then these hoard are taken out to use the productive activity. Consequently, the rate of the economic development they accelerate during the inflation. The other effect, the Rostow, Robertson, Morris Dobb, Keynes, Calder, etc. of the view that the mild dose of the inflation is essential for economic development, and according to the Arthur Lewis, inflation is the byproduct of development when it is under control. The summary of this lecture, what we learned from this lecture, that after the World Great Depression period 1930, every country world has faced the most important macroeconomic problem is the inflation. Persistent inflation is perhaps the second most serious macroeconomic problem confronting the world economy today, the second only after the hunger and poverty in third world like a developing country. And according to Colombo, the inflation means it is a case too much money chasing very few goods, and this inflation. Effects of the inflation. So some of the effects on the production side, some of the effects on the distribution of the income, some other effects, social effects we also discussed in this lecture. So economics are of the view that the creeping inflation is beneficial to production, employment and economic development, but when the rate of the inflation crosses the safe limit, then the hurt the production and the distribution. It becomes inequitous, poor or the render poor. The main economic and non-economic consequences of inflation are as under. The increase in investment lead to the increase in monetary income, but not the immediate increase in the production. It take the time of complete of production activity. As a result, there occur an imbalance between demand and supply is the cause of the inflation. So thank you for watching this video. You can use these books for this topic: effects of inflation, M.L. Jingan, macroeconomic theory, H.L. Ahuja, macroeconomic theory, Russell R.G. Espada, Gotekar, Golub, business economics, Prashant Publication, Jalgaon. And assignment question on this topic, the explain in detail. The question will be asked for 15 marks in examination. Define inflation and explain the effects of inflation in detail. The question will be asked in examination. So thank you for watching this video. The next time we will be looking next point, the stagflation, meaning, causes and measures. Thank you.